Okay, this is how you can replace my font if you don't like it. But if you do like it, you can download it from Teachers Pay Teachers if you look up the fonts, or from dafont.com because I like it. So if you don't like it, you just go to Format and then Replace Fonts, and then you select the ones you don't like. So mine are these Hello fonts. So you just click on them, and then you can just use whatever you want, like boring old Arial. And then I'll replace this one with Arial again. And then this one, Arial again. Then you could click close, and look, all my font is changed on every slide. So there you go. If you want to change your fonts, you can do that.